How to make your phone number private in Facebook. Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to make your phone number private in your Facebook profile. First you have to open Facebook, and here you have to tap on top right your profile icon. After that you have to again click on setting icon at the top right. When you click on settings, here you have to click on privacy checkup button at the top. Here you have to click on the first option, which is who can see what you share. Now click on continue here at the bottom. Now here you have to click on the public button in front of your phone number. As soon as you click on public, here you have to set it as only me. This means that no one can see your phone number except you. In this way you can make your phone number private in your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.